If you're interested in getting a mortgage for less than £100 per month with an instant cash flow from rentals of £400 plus on a monthly basis, then click the link in the description below to get access to our free training. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla. I'm the founder at Pearl Lemon Properties, and today we're going to be continuing with our property investment tips. So if you're in the market for looking for a buy-to-let or ultimately investment opportunities, I'm not sure if you're aware of the range of resources in terms of identifying an actual property that are open to you. So you've got, of course, the website rightmove.com, as well as Zoopla, as well as On the Market, as well as a range of other sites. All you simply need to do is search for Zoopla alternative, Rightmove alternative, etc. And then you'll put together a whole ultimate list of sites that you can look towards. Now, a lot of these sites, especially if we just take the example of Rightmove probably has the biggest portal. Zoopla is growing really faster, so it's definitely close between those two. But they basically got a pretty sophisticated range of filters that you can employ in combination with actually having alerts that you can set up. So when you combine filters with alerts, you'll be able to get into your inbox investment opportunities that could fit your actual mold. Now, that's something you can absolutely set up when you're in the market of looking for a property. If you're looking to find something that's off market or off Zoopla, then the alternatives could be looking up an area that you've got a particular interest in and having a look at the actual agents' websites to see if you can find anything that you deem to be a good investment opportunity in an area. So as an example, I've got 2 properties in Dudley. I could identify all of the property agents in Dudley and say to them, look, this is my criteria. I'm looking for a buy-to-let opportunity, freehold, etc., etc. What have you got for me that I could potentially look at? Okay. So when you think about those kinds of ultimately strategies that you could identify, there's potentially lots of opportunities for you to identify properties. So using Rightmove or using Zoopla or using On the Market or using an alternative, you can set up deal alerts to try and identify properties that match your criteria when it comes to a buying perspective. That's a really sensible first place to start. And if you want to go, of course, one layer deeper, then you can start to look at local estate agents and start monitoring their websites. And then the third layer would to actually be to reach out to these websites and say, this is my investment criteria, this is what I'm looking at, what have you got for me? And then that way you may well get curated messages into your inbox. And equally, some of these estate agents might actually have their own deal alerts that they set up as well. If you can't be bothered to do any of that, you can of course join or work with a company like Pearl Lemon Properties, who performs a lot of the executive searches on your behalf so that we can identify properties that have been ultimately gone through our due diligence. We've identified all of the key buying criteria, and then we can present these opportunities to you. Whatever you prefer, just be aware that there's lots of alerts and lots of opportunities you can set up on platforms such as Rightmove with appropriate filters to start getting curated deals into your inbox today. Alternatively, do check out the hot alerts option on our website. So my name is Deepak Shukla, and if you're looking to find out how you can get a mortgage for less than £100 per month with an instant cash flow of up to £400 plus per month on a monthly basis, sign up to the actual opportunity or training in the description below. I'll catch you on the next video.